Kumpiyansa ang kampo ni Ako Bicol Representative Zaldy Co na kaya niyang mapatunayang inosente siya sa kontrobersyal na flood control scandal. Sa panayam ni Pinky Webb sa programang On Point ng Billionaire News Channel, sinabi ni Atty. Ruy Rondain na personal niyang sinuri ang mga ebidensya bago tanggapin ang kaso ni Co.
Oh, I saw the evidence. And I always talk to a client before I propose an engagement. And I get the preliminary facts, and I believe it. And I saw the evidence.
And you're sure, Attorney Ruy, that once charges, if rather, charges are filed against your client, that he will be proven innocent?
Absolutely.
What about...
Not up to me, though. I can only try my best to defend him and to prove that the charges against him are false.
Okay.
Dagdag pa ni Rondain, malinaw sa kanya na kulang sa ebidensya ang mga paratang laban sa dating kongresista.
Made you believe that all this is false?
It's not the biggest evidence that I have. It's the absence of evidence from the other side.
I got it.
Tungkulin nila ang prosekusyon, hindi ng depensa na magpapatunay o magpatunay ng kasalanan beyond reasonable doubt. Nanindigan din siyang wala siyang naging moral argument na ipagtanggol ang dating mambabata sa mga akusasyon.